Hello, guys. Welcome back to episode 7 of our Hack the Box series. So, today we'll be doing the machine called SQL, and I've already downloaded the OVPN file and connected to it using sudo openvpn like all the other times, and we have it running here. All right, so let's get right into the machine. So, the first task is during our scan, which port do we find serving MySQL? All right, so we do an nmap where we copy the IP address, paste it, and do a fast scan. And we find that it is running on port 3306. So we input that here, and it should, yep, all right. Next task is what community developed MySQL version is the target running. Now, from the previous machines, we have kind of learned to do the same command and with SV, but I have found out that using SV in this case does not really work. And once you pick up the hint, it tells you that typically SV is used with nmap to determine versions, but that's not always enough. In this case, we have to try adding SC to run save scripts, which is another good way to get things like versions. Now we can figure out why SV why SC is used with SV during nmap. So in nmap, okay, let's just try this. Okay, so it performs a script scan using the default set of scripts. It is equivalent to this. Some of the scripts in this category are considered intrusive and should not be run against the target network without permission. Okay, all right. Let's try to figure this out. So -8 takes longer, and that's not always desirable. Okay. Okay, so SC is much faster and will take a while compared to the scans. All right. So it is apparently to run save scripts. So I think maybe the machine does not detect it. So let's Control C out of that and let's add SC. And we shall wait for the results. It performs a scan using the default sets of scripts. All right. Okay. We'll wait for that. And the next task is when using the MySQL command line client, what switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username? So MySQL to specify login username. All right, I think it's the -u. And that is good. I think we can also try to copy this command, paste it here, and remove the SV and just do the SC. because maybe we do not have to use SV at all. So let's wait. All right, this is taking some time. We shall wait for it. Um, yeah, I see them. Save scripts. All right. Um, okay. So, we have gotten it by just using SV and not SC. So that is one of the points that we can note down actually. Um, so nmap, IP, and dash F dash SC, where SC is used to run save scripts and works if SV doesn't. All right, that is cool. Okay. So the question or the task was, what community develops MySQL version? It is, yep, MariaDB. Sorry. So MariaDB, that is right. Okay. When using the MySQL command line client, what switch? Yep. So that's dash U. So minimize this. MySQL dash U, and what else? So the next question is, which username allows us to log into the MariaDB instance without providing a password? It is root. In SQL, what symbol can we use to specify within the query that we want to display everything inside a table? It is star. These are basics of SQL, which you guys can refer tutorials and learn about. In SQL, what symbol do we need to end each query with? It is a semicolon. There are three databases in this MySQL instance that are common across all MySQL instances. What is the name of the fourth that's unique to this host? All right, so I think we need to first of all connect to the MySQL using the MySQL command. So let's wait for this to connect. We can note that command as well. MySQL root h and then the IP connects to MySQL server, I suppose. So we have connected successfully. Now we can use show databases command in order to see the databases, out of which these three are common across different sort of instances, and this is a unique one. So we can just input that in, and it's asking us for the root flag. So we can show, or actually we can use HackTheBox in order to use the database. And then we gotta do show tables in order to see the tables that's inside the database, which are config and users. So let's select star from config to see everything inside the config table. And there it is. The flag is right there. So we just copy that, paste it in, and submit the flag. There you go, guys. That is SQL successfully. That is great. And we can also sort of save commands of show databases, which does what it says, show tables. And you can do select star from table name to view everything inside the table. Okay, and these are the nodes of the previous machines. If you guys need access to this file right here, you guys can just drop it in the comments and I'll be sure to uh, upload this somewhere and drop the link. And I hope this style of the tutorial is better than me going through it naturally. And you guys can comment down below what sort of style you guys prefer, whether it is me doing the machines for the first time with you guys or me doing the machine once and then coming back and doing it again. All right. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next one.